The small South American country of Uruguay is bordered by Brazil, Argentina, and a long Atlantic coastline of beautiful beaches. Here, gaucho culture is still alive and authentic. Experience the best of Uruguay's beaches and estancias with Equitrekking Travel's Uruguay Beach and Coastal Trail Vacation. Visit Uruguay's colorful capital city of Montevideo, perhaps stopping at the Mercado del Puerto, where you can indulge in local culinary delights. The port market is filled with massive barbecues called parrillas. Grilling is a popular pastime in Uruguay. Ride the wide beaches near the border of Brazil in the Rocha province on criollo horses, a breed native to South America. Hear local legends as you visit historic forts and stay in locally run estancias on this South American riding vacation adventure.
Much of it is man work, you know? There's not many women who do this.
Mission accomplished, Paula.
Yes, great job.
For upcoming departures, prices, and to book this trip, visit our website at equitrekkingtravel.com.